Hi everybody, I am Snehal Patel, the owner of Rewind Analog. We specialize on restoring and then selling to you vintage electronics, including camcorders, digital cameras. We also do photo cameras, and then we specialize in audio as well. So we have Walkmans that we've restored and other audio devices. We have vintage cameras from the 90s and 2000s, fully restored with batteries and the ability to capture the footage to put on your computer so you can edit it, like the samples that we're showing over here. Over here we have photo cameras and our quickly emptying section of digital still cameras, which we sold a bunch of them today already. And then, of course, we're really proud of our restored Walkman tape players because we are bringing back cassette culture. We're adding things like Bluetooth transmitters so that you can listen to music on Bluetooth speakers or like this, or you can listen, on your car stereo or your AirPods or whatever wireless system that you're using already. That's what we have at Rewind Analog. You can find us on our website, rewindanalog.com. On Instagram, we're rewind.analog. We love Melrose Trading Post. Energy is great here. The people are a lot of fun. And a lot of people are getting into things like camcorders, but they need help. And what we want to do is make sure that you come in here, you have a great experience, and when you go home, you could use it right away without having to look up a lot of stuff or try to buy a bunch of parts on Amazon. Everything's right here for you.